Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to explain why you can't reach wet level 5 on Poppo Live. Right, so if you're struggling to reach wet level 5 so that you can start playing games, so that you can start live streaming, this video is for you. I'm going to explain what is stopping you from reaching wet level 5. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, if you look right here, my account is on wet level 5. Right, so let me show you how you can actually do it. Now the first thing you need to consider is to be active on the app. So you need to visit the app every day. Alright, so you have to be very active on the app, and that is just one. Another thing is that you need to purchase a decent amount of coin. So I will take you to this coin balance and show you how to do that. This is my coin balance. All right, I need to top up about 66,000 coin before I can reach wet level 5. Okay, so if you want to do that, you have to click on the top up button, and then select go ahead and select 70 just to have some remaining in your balance. Right, so go ahead and recharge this 70,000 coin. Once you are able to recharge this amount of coin, you can reach wet level 5, but there is still one more thing you still have to do. Once this coin is purchased and it is reflecting here on your balance, you still need to do one more thing before you can reach wet level 5. And what's that thing? You need to join live streams. All right, you need to join live streams. So let me join a live stream and show you what you need to do from here. Okay, so this is a live stream. Okay, so once you join a live stream just like this is what you have to do. At the bottom right corner, you find this gift icon right there. Click on it, and then what you have to now start doing is to start sending gifts to users. All right, go ahead and start sending gifts to user. You can just send something that is equivalent to the amount of coin you purchased. Once you're able to do that, you are going to be on wet level 5. Right, but if there's no equivalent gift like that, just choose any gift and be sending randomly to users. You can swipe down to watch the next live stream just like this, and just continue sending gifts to random users, and you are going to see that you are going to progress to the next level. If I take you to my profile right now, I'll show you how to check your progress. If you look right here, this is my wet level 5. Okay, so once I click on it, I'm going to see the current progress to the next level. So I'm at 0.24% progressing to wet level 6. Okay, so this is how you're going to check your progress to the next level. So these are the things you just have to do in order for you to move to wet level 5. So that's it guys. Hope you now know the reason why you can't reach wet level 5 and the things you need to do to reach wet level 5. If yes, give this video a like. If you have any questions on how to navigate the Poppo Live app, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you want to check out more videos on how to use Poppo Live, I have a playlist at the end screen of this one. Go ahead, click on it and watch more on how you can use Poppo Live app. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video.